President Trump receiving yet another win from the Supreme Court. Also today, the Supreme Court ruling to back parents, you know, the mothers and fathers, men and women who have children, parents who seek to opt their kids out of the rabid LGBTQIAA plus books and education in elementary schools. Just the little kids. The Democrats need to groom them early. President Trump today highlighting the victory for parents.
I think the ruling was a great ruling, and I think it's a great ruling for parents. It's really a ruling for parents. They lost control of the schools. They lost control of their child. And this is a tremendous victory for parents. And I'm not surprised by it, but I am surprised that it went this far. It took us to bring life back to normal. So it's wonderful. It's parental. And I kept saying, we will give you back your parental rights. They were taken away, and this is a tremendous victory for parents.
Well, there's a lot of nodding going on at the table, but Jason, I didn't see you nodding, but you got kids, and you're an educator, and this parents should be able to opt out.
Yeah, no, I really don't have a problem with parents opting out, as long as they're not trying to also change the curriculum so that they can tell my kid what they can and cannot read. But if they want to opt their child out and say we don't want them to participate in this assignment, I don't have an issue with that. And the other thing I just want to say is communist Islamist is not a thing. That's not a thing. If you look at nations that have Islam in them, like Qatar, the Qataris are not communist. The Saudis are not communist. The Emiratis are not communist. They are hyper capitalist.
We were just talking about the Democratic primary in New York.
Right. And the other thing that I would say is that if you are talking about, oh, you want us to go back and go be a third world country. We just watched the U.S. government drop 30,000-pound bombs on people. Your AR-15 is not going to stop the United States government. So
that's what Joe Biden said. You got to have F-16s to fight him. I think he threw that out there. And there is the famous Red-Green coalition. I would go back to Munich 1972 and the communist Red Brigades providing their support to the Islamists of Black September. So it's not unprecedented, but now it's in New York. And they do it under the flag of the Democrat Party.